Hello guys, how are you doing? So this is Aziz. So I live in Fredericton, New Brunswick, Canada, and yes, I'm very excited today. We're going to talk about which digital marketing is best for a beginner. So first of all, I would like to share with you a little story. Educational. Basically, I have created educational 5 years ago. I don't know what I was doing, but I like video. I like sharing stuff. So this one was one of my very first video. Is in French, completely in French. And as you can see here, I have 5 years ago. I already have that mindset. To be in this quadrant, business and investing. Yes. So quickly here, basically, in educational now, my mission is to help, right? So people who are overworked, underpaid, that's still in that cycle of 9 to 5, find a different path, than the regular routine, right? So that is now my mission, is to help those folks, right? So quickly, and I believe that digital marketing is one of the best ways to reach our financial goals, right? So digital marketing is very fast. Basically, you can be expert in all, Facebook ads, Google ads, SEO, TikTok ads. You can be expert in social media marketing, email marketing, outreach marketing, right? So they are all parts of digital marketing, right? So, and one of the growing fastest way right now in digital marketing is the e-learning industry. As you can see here in ChatGPT, right? So it's we're going to reach 1 trillion by 2027, which is huge. So since 2020, it keeps growing. So that means digital marketing is really the area we should be focusing on for now, right? So quickly here, basically, learning all those skills, Facebook ads, all that stuff, it require skill set, right? So it takes really time. So as I have highlighted before, the one I am suggesting is e-learning, right? And I will quickly share with you my community here. As you can see, we are 51,000 people here. So yeah. And then we quickly see the wins, right? So Tanya will get $300, while she's sleeping. And then okay, so all these are wins, right? 1,300 overnight. Stacy is grateful. Paula, $900. So basically, all these are wins, right? So it's also very important to highlight that those wins, basically all those people, they are coachable, willing to learn, and they basically how to say that. So this is, by the way, the Legacy Builder program is a program that I am promoting, and I'm really suggesting to you as well for your digital marketing process. I mean, as a beginner, right? This program will take you step by step, until you reach your goal. Yes, and it's not a get rich quick program. So all those people, they are coachable, willing to learn, and you know, it takes consistency, consistency. Look at this guy, pinch me. Yeah. Oh, this is nice. So basically we have here the classrooms. So the classroom, that's where all our training, all the training, everything is included. And then we'll take you from day 1 to day 90, like 90 days straight. My mentor will take you step by step, in order for you to get results, right? So this is really amazing, right? So then so you have the calendar. That's where we have all our training over here, right? So yeah, by the way, the link is in the description. If you want to check it out, I will I will give you a free PDF that will really show you what you need to know about daily pay, right? Quickly here, so this is a e-learning, and then basically what you need to have when you want to study digital marketing. You want to have a good quality product. So a good quality product is a product that solves issues, right? It solves issues, right? So that is a good quality product. And secondly, you need traffic. Traffic means people. So basically, you need to bring people to see your product, right? So that's where the program I'm suggesting to you actually will take you step by step, right? They will take you step by step. They will take you step by step from day 1. They'll take you step by step. They will teach you what to do each step of the way, so that you'll be successful. As you know, traffic is the lifeblood of any business, right? So, and yes, for the content creation, you have the choice, right, between short form video and long form video. By the way, video is the best way to go, right? Because you'll be relatable. People will see you and then they will relate to you, because people buy from people they know, like, and trust, right? So that's why video are very powerful. And those short form videos that you will do daily, they are like digital real estate. So over time they will compound, and you will get the result for sure. And if you are camera shy, if you are camera shy, we have also a program, right, inside our community that will teach you faceless marketing. So you don't have to show your face if you want, right? And you'll be back up with automation as well. Right? That will help you along the way, right? Because when you have automation set up, it means you can do whatever you want most of the time, right? Because you have an automation that will be taking care of people that will come through this traffic. So I was about to do 10 minutes for this video. That's what is my goal, right? So guys, if you have any questions, so put them in the comment and I will be glad to answer them. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and also share. Take care.